Apple is empowering its voice assistant Siri with ChatGPT, integrating advanced conversational AI capabilities to significantly enhance the virtual assistant's performance. This integration aims to make Siri more intuitive, context aware, and capable of handling complex interactions, thereby improving user experience across Apple devices. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. With an objective to stay ahead of the competition, Apple is exploring how to differentiate itself from rivals Microsoft and Google by placing privacy at the core of its features. This commitment to privacy will ensure that user data remains secure and that personal information is not compromised. CEO Tim Cook has highlighted the advancements in Siri, Apple's voice assistant, which will now be empowered by ChatGPT. Siri will be able to interact more seamlessly with messages, emails, calendars, as well as third party apps. This integration aims to provide a more comprehensive and personalized user experience. The AI features announced at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference will be integrated into the latest operating system for Apple devices. These features were demonstrated at the event, showcasing the significant enhancements and capabilities that users can expect. Apple's approach with the latest AI enhancements and Siri upgrades contrasts significantly with the enterprise first focus of its rivals like Microsoft and Google. Apple believes the revamped Siri will feature enhanced control capabilities, allowing it to handle tasks that previously proved challenging. This improvement stems from its ability to better understand the user's exact intentions and how various apps work. Apple has announced that the integration of ChatGPT with Siri will be available later this year with additional AI features to follow. Reacting to the announcement by Apple, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made a bold statement on X, indicating that he would immediately ban Apple devices at his company if Apple integrates OpenAI's technology at the operating system level. This declaration highlights Musk's concerns about the integration of advanced AI technologies into consumer devices and their potential vulnerabilities. Elon Musk's firm stance against the integration of OpenAI at the OS level underscores the ongoing tension between technological innovation and security considerations, highlighting the need for careful balancing of these priorities in the tech industry. Let's look into today's headlines. Jyotiraditya Scindia named as the new telecom minister. The newly elected Modi 3.0 cabinet has promoted Jyotiraditya Scindia to telecommunications minister from his pre-election role as civil aviation minister. He will also retain charge of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. Jyotiraditya made his electoral debut in 2002, winning the Guna LS seat for Congress in a by-election. He went on to win 4 consecutive terms from the constituency, establishing himself as a prominent leader in the state. Air India powering its virtual assistant by using GPT-4. Air India is using OpenAI's most advanced large language model GPT-4 to power its virtual assistant. Earlier this year, Air India CEO Campbell Wilson stressed the carrier's desire to leverage GPT-4. The airline company was first using GPT 3.5 and has now transitioned to GPT 4. Last year, Air India announced that it would be implementing a generative AI virtual agent dubbed Maharaja, leveraging Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service. Elon Musk drops lawsuit against OpenAI and CEO Sam Altman. Elon Musk has withdrawn his lawsuit against OpenAI, the artificial intelligence research company he co founded, and its CEO Sam Altman. In the lawsuit, Musk accused OpenAI of breaching its contract and straying from its original mission of developing AI for the benefit of humanity. The dismissal follows Musk's recent string of pronouncements, including a threat to ban Apple devices from his companies if OpenAI's technology is deeply integrated into iPhones and Macs. Zomato to invest Rs 300 crore in Blinkit to take on Swiggy and Zepto. Zomato will be investing Rs 300 crore into Blinkit as competition heats up with Swiggy and Zepto, according to a filing with the Registrar of Companies. Zomato has already invested Rs 2,300 crore in Blinkit since acquiring it in August 2022 in an all-stock deal. Besides Blinkit, Zomato will also invest rupees 100 crore in its subsidiary Zomato Entertainment Private Limited, which handles live events and ticketing. Vivo reportedly selling a Greater Noida factory to Bhagwati Products. Amid mounting regulatory pressures, Chinese smartphone manufacturer Vivo will be selling one of its factories in Greater Noida to Bhagwati Products, the parent company of Micromax. With a revenue of around rupees 30,000 crore in FY23, Vivo led the Indian smartphone market in sales in the January to March period of this year. Bhagwati will contract manufacture smartphones at the factory in collaboration with the Chinese firm's original design manufacturing partner, Huaquin. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.